Okay everyone, this is a Craftsman remote door opener. It's a 515 is the model, and we had a situation where we went for a walk to go walk our dogs, and guess what? We came to go back in and we couldn't get in, and all it was doing was flashing at us. So we thought that, oh, the battery must be dead. Right underneath this cover there's a 9-volt battery. We replaced the battery and the door would close, but the door would not reopen. So what you have to do when that happens is you have to reset your garage door from the inside, and there's a learn button. So here's our garage door, and I'm going to show you where this learn button is here. Okay, so you're going to pop this panel down, and you're going to be able to see right here where my finger is, there's a purple button. You press that button and a little green LED light will come on for 30 seconds. Okay, and then you're going to run back over here to your cover on this, and then what you're going to do is just go ahead and reprogram in your number, whatever that number was. And so you have 30 seconds to do it. You'll press and hold enter, and then you'll look for your light to flash and go click like that, and then that means it's reset and will work. And so basically what you do is, obviously you hit it, and then your garage door comes down. Now your garage door will always come down even if the thing needs to reset itself, so it's really important that you remember that. And then you can then hit your code immediately. I just got done resetting this, so obviously I won't show you guys. And you'd hit your enter, so you hit enter, your 4-pin code, and then enter again, and your door will open up. So hopefully that'll help you alleviate some heartache. Those 9-volt batteries rarely go bad. So anyway, we'll see y'all later.